Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I'm just thinking to teach you some more interesting things. Actually, I'm just gonna teach you a kind of report. Actually, I'm removing this report button because this is just a button, and we can add a lot of kind of reports here, like purchase report, like sales report, like product report, etc. So actually I'm just removing that one first. We have to delete from that from every page, so I'm just deleting that from this page. Actually, this is the report, so I'm removing that one. Save and go to the browser, and this is a supplier list. So where I just deleted that, I just deleted that from the add supplier. So let's just go to the add supplier. Okay, I removed that from there. So what more is to remove that from the supplier list as well, because I just don't want the client the reports anymore. So very simple to do. Okay, and the purchases list from any page. I just don't want that reports product list. And then the index page, and here this is the index page which has the reports as well. Now save all that files here. Now what more we need to do is to go down, or actually just directly go to the suppliers list, or the sales list. Okay, I'm just going to the sales list here. I'm just clicking there to the sales list, and now this is the sales list. What I'm just doing here, I'm just creating a new button here. This is the sales list. I'm just adding the new button for just for details. Okay, sorry about that. This should be in the button type. Button. Now go there inside and just type the details. Save, and then just put the class here, pdn danger. Save, and then go to the browser and refresh. Now this is the button I added, and then exactly we need to add all that things, this thing to everywhere, the details. Save, and then just copy this one, paste there. Okay, the problem, I understood the problem. Just copy only text and paste there and there. Okay, with every tr which we have. Save and refresh. Now this is the thing which I just created. When I just click on the details, I just want to show something like the detail. For example, this is the order by the company of Riverwood. Payment mode is cash. Total amount was 20,000, and the paid amount is 15,000 with a balance of 5,000. Okay, now in the detail I just want to show that which product the company name the Riverwood has bought and other things. So what I'm just doing is to going to the notepad, and actually I'm just creating at the very top here. This one is the main thing. So by the way, I'm just creating a model here. I can create the model anywhere, but I'm just creating the model inside this TD. If you remember, we've learned about the model deeply, so I'm just gonna apply the model. If you just want to know some more things about the model, you can check out the lecture from the basics, where I just deeply guide you about the model. Okay, so the first element which should be inside the model is the another div. First thing first is the div, and then as a class here, model dialog. Now go inside and then add another things. Now the content, so the class is model content, and here I'm just going inside the div. Okay, so there I'm just adding the class of the model header. Okay, and then duplicate this one, and here the body, and then the footer. Okay, now what more we need to do is to add the header here. First the header, and inside the header I'm just adding the div first. Okay, and then here the model title. Now the title I'm just adding, well, I'm just removing the title of the div. I'm just typing the h4 here, h4, a little bit capital size. After all, this is the heading, so I'm just adding here the sales detail. Okay, you can add anything whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to the body area, and there I'm just creating some columns inside the model. So the class column is 6 duplicate, and then here the simple data I'm just typing inside the p tag. Okay, and what I'm just typing the river wood. Okay, now this text should be in the u tag, so yeah, for the underlining the u. Save and go to the browser, and here, oh, we cannot see the detail right now because we have to do some more things. First I'm just creating the model. Actually I'm just making the model visible, then I'll just edit them this more. So here I'm just adding some more things. The ID, okay, the ID should be there. ID, I'm just typing the sale model. Okay, I can type anything, but for the clarification I just type the same name. The data toggle, and then here the model. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now just click on the eye detail. Nothing happening. That means something more we need to do. Yep, we have to add the data target, which is really necessary because I just want to clear that which model I just want to open. So I just want to open the sale model, this one. So the spelling should be clear. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Just click there. Nothing happening. That means something more we need. The hash. Save and refresh. Now click. Now this is the model I just created, and I'm just getting the model. That means it's working perfectly. And what more we need to do is to add the fade effect with this model. Save and then refresh. Now click there, and it's coming in a fade style and going in a fade style. That means it is exactly working perfectly. Now this is the time to stylize these things. So now first I'm just typing here, instead of this one I'm just adding some kind of BR here. Okay, then the P and space, and there I'm just typing from. Okay, another BR, enter, and go back and enter, and then just put this one here. Now I'm just typing in the B, not the BR, so I'm just typing here the our company. Okay, now go down, and then let's just type the state. For example, I'm just typing New York here. I have no idea about the state and the BR. Okay, and the city of the United States, so I'm just typing New York again. By the way, the phone number, I'm just typing blah 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 blah, whatever. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now click there, and now this is the detail from. Okay, going back, and here I'm just adding the BR. Save and refresh back, click there. Okay, this is looking just like that, but something more we need to create is to add another effect, the model LG. Now save and refresh, click there. Now the model, okay, something's wrong has been made. Actually I have to add the model LG, not there, it should be there. Now refresh and click there. Now this is what I just wanted to create. So what more we need to do is to add another BR here. Okay, 2 BRs, because I just really want to get the line break, show the line break there. Now this is looking perfect. Now the email address, I'm just typing abc@gmail.com, whatever. Save and then just refresh and click there. Now this is what I just wanted to create, and I've done. So here I'm just typing something like Washington DC. Well, again I'm saying I have no idea about these things, so I'm just adding them just as a formality. Well, there's something more we need to do is to, because you know this is a company, so one BR here, and then another BR here, and then the address. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now this is looking more perfect. The address is there from this company, and the addresses and all the address and all the details are there. So what more I need to add, the PRs here, and then the here, save, and everything is fine. Now let's just copy the whole detail and paste that here. Okay, and just update something, for example, from 2 to 2. Refresh. Now click there. Now from and to, and both of them are looking perfect. So what more we need to do is to go to the notepad back, and actually I'm just going to update the bottom area. Okay, just after these columns inside the model body, I'm just adding another div here. Or I think I should not add the div. I can add the table directly, where I'll just show the products. So the table, and inside this table I'm just setting the T head first. Okay, and inside this T head, what I'm just doing is to adding the TR, and in this TR I'm just adding another many TDs. Okay, now sorry, not the TD, the TH, and here the one, and then I'm just typing, oh sorry, not the one, actually s.no, the number, and then the description. Okay, the product description should be there, and then the quantity means how much product you got, quantity, and then the unit price, and then here the subtotal. Save, and then exactly we need to create the T body here. Okay, and then I'm just going inside and just creating the TR. Okay, so what more I need to do is to create the TD. So here the one, and duplicate the, not the description, I'm just adding, for example, the best chocolate best chocolate 24L 24p. It means a packet of 24 elements, by the way. Whatever, the quantity is 4 pieces. Duplicate. This unit price is 20, so the 4 price is, I think, 20 Now save and go to the browser and refresh and click there, and now this is the table we just created. But exactly we need to add some more things with this table, so I'm just going there and adding the class specific for the table. So table stripped. Save and then refresh. Now click there and we got the table. Oh, nothing happened because I just put it the wrong name as a class. So click there, and this is the table I've created. So what more we need to add is to add the specific color here, style, or I think instead of the style I can apply the class, the table custom. Save and refresh. Now click there. Now okay, something wrong. I'm just going to the style.css, and here is the table head. Okay, I just made the table head, not the table custom. I was just thinking to add the table custom. Where is the sales list? Here is it. Now I have to add the table head. Save and refresh. Click there, and now this is looking really perfect. So what more we need to add there is just need to duplicate first, copy, paste, paste, and paste, and paste. Now save and refresh. Now click there, and now I'm just getting whatever I just want, looking in a perfect way. So what more we need? I'm just going back to the notepad, and for this, you know that you can update the whole website. I'm just putting some specific values like 3, 4, and 5. Save and refresh. Now this is fine. What more we need? We need to create a last thing here just after this table. I'm going there and clicking on the notepad, and actually just after this tr I'm adding another tr, or I think I should create another table, or the same one. I'm duplicating this one right now. What I'm just doing here, for the first one I'm removing this one, that one. Okay, now what I'm just doing, I'm just spanning this table, col span 2, and then here the col span equal to 3, and here I'm just typing grand total, and here I'm just typing the 80 81 whatever. I can add the bluff value, so I'm just adding the 5430 whatever. Now refresh. So oh, click there, and now I got this thing. So what is the problem? Remove that one, because you know that there are total 1 2 3 4 5 cells, and this cell is now spanned to the cells, and this is spanned to the 3 tables. So exactly there are 5 table space. Refresh, click there, and this is the thing I was just talking about. Okay, but what more we need? Actually, I'm just adding the class text left, sorry, right. If I just place this class with the tr, I'm just gonna test this. Refresh, click there, it's working perfectly. That means I've done the work which I just want. So now this should be 4, this should be only 1. Refresh, now click there, and this is what I just want to create, and I've created. Okay, looking perfect. So something more I need to do is to add the text right with this. I think with the quantity and the price and the subtotal, we have to add this paste, oh sorry, the space, 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 and there, there, and there, with all of them, to make them more perfect than ever. Go to the top, more and more, and go to the top, more and more and more, and save, and then refresh. Click there, and this is what I just wanted. I just want to get, and I've got. So the last thing we have to add is the boldness. So here I'm just adding the B tag, okay, and closing there. Doing the same with this one, the B tag, and closing there, saving, and refresh, and click there back, and now the grand total is this value. So in this way we can create the invoice. I hope you understood. Something more we necessarily create for this chart. I have to create the close button. Okay, so I'm just going to the notepad back, and actually I'm just going to the top, and where is the header? Here is the header. So just before this element I'm just adding the button. Okay, now there I'm just setting the class of close, not the previous class. Data dismiss equal to model. Now save, and then refresh, click there, and now we didn't create the button because actually we didn't put any value there. We have to put the value. I'm just putting the value of I'm just putting an entity which is actually a cross sign. So refresh that back, click there. Now I got the cross sign, click there, and it's working. So I hope you understood that how to create the model and how to create the detail of any project from into, and we can put the same thing to the purchase list as well. Now this is the time to create the sales and the purchase list adding option forms actually. So guys, in the next class we'll create them. So goodbye and stay tuned.